Earnin Balance Shield usually stops working when your bank connection breaks, your balance data is delayed, or the app can't sync your recent transactions in real time. By the end, you'll know exactly why Balance Shield isn't working, how to fix it step by step, and what to check so it starts protecting your account again. Start with how Balance Shield actually works. It monitors your linked bank account for low balance risk based on recent transactions and available balance data. If that data stops updating correctly, the feature can't trigger alerts or protections. First, check your bank connection. If Earnin lost access to your bank because of a login change, security update, or expired session, Balance Shield won't update at all. Reconnecting your bank inside the app forces a fresh data sync and usually restores the feature. Next, look at transaction delays. Some banks don't update balances instantly. If your pending transactions haven't cleared yet, or your bank is slow to refresh data, Earnin may be working with outdated information. That can make Balance Shield look broken when it's just missing fresh data. Now check app syncing issues. If the app hasn't refreshed in a while, it may be stuck showing old balance snapshots. Manually pulling down to refresh or fully closing and reopening the app forces a new sync request. Another issue is permissions and background data. If your phone restricts background activity or battery optimization is turned on, Earnin may not update Balance Shield in real time. That means alerts won't trigger even if everything else looks normal. Also check for account status changes. If your bank account was recently changed, renamed, or linked to a new login method, Earnin may pause advanced features like Balance Shield until it fully verifies the new setup. Now look at server-side delays. Sometimes Earnin's system itself is delayed due to high traffic or temporary syncing issues with bank partners. In that case, Balance Shield may stop updating until the backend catches up. Here's the simple breakdown. Balance Shield stops working because of broken bank sync, delayed transaction updates, app refresh issues, restricted background data, or temporary system delays. Do this next. Reconnect your bank account, refresh your app manually, disable battery restrictions for Earnin, and make sure your bank balance is fully up to date before relying on the feature again. If it still doesn't work after that, wait for a full banking cycle to complete so all pending transactions clear and the system has accurate data again. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear fixes for Earnin and other cash advance app issues.